Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I am doing a haul video, an online haul from Unity Stamp Company. I am super excited to have these. I've ordered from them. I have been thinking about ordering from them for a long time. And Wondering Dreamer 555 sent me a message saying, hey, Unity Stamp Company has a sale. And I took the plunge. Let's get into it. So on their site right now, this is their 10-year birthday. Happy birthday, 10 years. So I got most of these things on sale, half off. That's pretty good. And it says, always be on the lookout in the presence of wonder. I like this little quote, not all who wandered with an A are lost. This is really cool. And you see how big it is. So the way Unity Stamp Company works is that you can go on and order for this sale right now. This is the stamp, and then this is what's on the other side. It's a cassette, and it says, you are the music in me. The more you order, the more benefits and discounts you get. So that was cool. This is a birthday present to myself. It's a little late. That's okay. You are my anchor. I like this little anchor. You know I like nautical themed items. So it's no wonder I got it, right? You like the pun? This is a Mystic Mermaid, and it says, the hardest part of moving forward is not looking back. Truth. What is meant for you will always find a way. And that's true. Whatever God has for you is yours. You don't have to worry about anyone taking it unless it's God, right? Then I got this one. It says, Beach Girl. And you see this girl right here. I just imagine her standing on the beach looking at the ocean and thinking, I have no worries, no cares, no nothing. Or she's looking at her kids saying, you better get your bad butts out of there. Or she's standing there posing because she sees a whole bunch of guys looking at her. But I like the first one. She's sitting there and she's just like clear-headed, no worries in the world. She's just like, yes, look at me. A day at the beach restores the soul. Live carefree, close your eyes, clear your heart, let it go. Love that. Love that sentiment. All truth. I got a grab bag because, you know, I like grab bags. So let's go ahead and dig into this grab bag. Look at all these stamps. And this is a grab bag. It was $10. Straight up $10. So, if you counted stamps by the dollar, let's just see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got our money's worth in that alone. But look at these beautiful stamps. This is a girl blowing a kiss, I believe. Super, super good. Look at it. It covers the whole palm of my hand. I'm not sure if you can relate to the palm of my hand or not. It is, what? 4 by 4, a little bit under 4 by 4, so maybe 3.5 by 3.5. So this is a big stamp. And let's just go ahead and look at it over here. So from the very edge, so it's 2.5, and then the length of it is 4.5 maybe. So this is a good size stamp from the tip of her sleeve to this. And I love this one. And I think these little hearts may go with her. I'm not sure. I have to look it up. I'm familiar with the company, but I don't know all their little stamp sets. And this one says Happy Father's Day on a little flag. So that's really cool. And we have these penguins, good grief, penguins, bringing someone a Christmas present or a birthday present. It doesn't have to just be Christmas. Then we have this, and I can't make out what all of them say. Love is in the pages of one of our soul. Story. Love is in the pages of our story, I guess. I have to snap it out and see. And then this one says, thanks for coming for a visit. I don't know what this word says, but yes. Then these little lamps, I like these because, you know, I envision it saying something like, even though we're the same, we're different. Even though we're different, we're the same. Something like that. And then this one says, I think it says, fa la 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 la, or for la 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 la. I don't know what it says, honestly. This one says, take care and feel better soon. And this one's going to go great with my little, I have a house mouse. I want to get, we'll talk about that another time. I don't even want to disturb this haul with something else, another company. This little scarecrow. And I really wanted this scarecrow in another package, so I don't have to worry about it now because I have it here. And love something, something, something. It says love. Yeah, I don't know what that little bottom sentence says, but I like stacking love like this. It's so cool and cute. And this says, oh, what a beautiful morning. So even with that girl that I just showed you, standing on the beach, you can put this next to her while she's looking at the waves. It'll be so cool. Then we have this one that says beach days and sun rays. This is so pretty. Look at all these little images like this you can write in journal. I want to do a beach themed something, so this will definitely go in there very nicely. Even though I have some other beachy things, I'm going to probably mix them all together. Then I had to have some of the girls. I like the way they have their girls. You know, they're faceless, so they're emotionless, but you can just see the sass about how she has her hand on her hip. She's just like sassy, sassy, sassy. Or they could be walking down a runway. I like this. This makes me think of my best friend. She sent me a beautiful, beautiful birthday card. It made me cry, you know, because sometimes you're in your emotions. But anyway, I love this right here. And it says, a good friend knows all your stories. A best friend help you write them. Or sometimes, you know, they say help you hide the bodies or whatever. Just saying. Just be your beautiful self. I love that. And look how big this stamp is. I will probably do a few Unity stamp cards alone in the upcoming days. And then I got this one. This is a itty bitty. Yeah. And it says, a beautiful just the way you are. And it has this dress form, and I've been looking for some dress forms, so I was hoping this would be a little bit bigger. I didn't notice that it's a itty bitty, but it's okay because it will work fine, and it has like the council stamps on there, so that's going to be cool. Really, really like that. I guess back in the day, you know, when we didn't know our money and resources going to run out, the Postal Service did a little bit better at doing cool stuff, I guess. And then look at this one. It says All Worth It. This is the name of it. And Melody Rose, I'm assuming, is the designer of this. It has some flowers. I liked this. This is what got me to get this. You see what it says? Queen Bee, without even saying anything. Look at all these stamps. I love this shoe stamp. I have a stamp fetish for fashion items, but I don't have a fetish in real life for those items. I have a few heels. I just don't like to walk in them. I prefer to walk in flip-flops all year round if I could, but it's cold. And crazy people do that and you get sick. Well, I do because I've done it before. Decide to wake up every day. Decide to wake up every single day the very best. Let's see. Decide to make every single day the very best day of your one precious life. Truth. I like this. I'm not sure what that is. It looks like it could be like a frame. At the same time, it's, you know, like a, what is it? Camera film. Get it together. But it's different sizes, so you can, I guess you can do whatever you want. You put a door handle, put it on a screen door. I don't know. Then this one says she's a dreamer, a doer, a thinker. She sees possibilities everywhere, and this is a itty bitty, but it's a big sentiment. So these little stamps are big sentiments. And then here's some more council stamps and a butterfly, and it says, change is never easy. You fight to hold on and you fight to let go. Isn't that true? All very truth. And look at this. Big stamps to be itty bitties. And then I got these birthday, I got these for free. If you order over a certain amount, you get free stamps. So I got this one. It says, may your day be happy. And it's delicious looking cake. Look at that cake. And look at the stamp. Very cool. And then celebrate every day. And I like this one because it's big. It's so big. Like, very, very nice. And I got these for free. Okay, and so I took the plunge. I'm a kit member now. And so in the kit that I got this month, you get these little pieces. This is really cool. Some wood veneer, a doily, and this really cool paper. I think I may read what it says. It's talking about leaves and all kinds of cool things. So I'm not sure how they get their words. I know some people just go and pull up a story and copy paste. I'm not sure if that's what they did. And then this is the stamp set for May. It's Open Sky, Deep Ocean. And I want you just to look at it and tell me why you think I got it. So right here it says, never stop looking up. This is so pretty. I may stamp this out and color it. I love these big flowers. I've been on a flower kick for a while, as you all know. So this was just so fitting, because when she stopped and looked around, this life is pretty amazing. Isn't that true? Beauty is being the best possible version of yourself on the inside and out. Be a mermaid and make waves. Together we can do anything, and my home is the open sea where stars shine brighter and my soul is free. And this is how they look. Probably help if I had it the right way. And so you see, it's already mounted on the rubber, which is so cool. It's a little quick video that shows you that they make each individual piece just for you. So this was handmade just for Brandy, the left-handed crafter. I'll leave the information in the description box. Thank you all for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know if you are a part of a stamp club or a die club. And if you're not, let me know what your favorite stamp company is, and like what stamps or what items you like the most about your stamping. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.